In this video, I'll show you how to create a poll in Messenger step by step. Creating a poll is a great way to get opinions, make group decisions, or have fun with friends and family on Messenger. This method works on both Android or iPhone. First, open the Messenger app on your phone or go to Messenger on your computer. Open the chat or group where you want to create the poll. On mobile, tap the plus in the message box. Select polls from the list of options. Type your poll question in the Ask a Question field. Next, add the answer options. You can add multiple choices so everyone in the chat can vote. Once your question and options are ready, tap Create Poll or Send. Your poll will now appear in the chat, and members can vote by tapping on their choice. To close the poll, you can either delete it or stop accepting votes, depending on the platform. That's it. That's how you easily create a poll in Messenger to get quick feedback from your friends, family, or team. If this video helped you, leave a comment below, like the video, share it, and subscribe for more Messenger and social media tutorials.